In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable API access for a user profile in Salesforce. Whether you're integrating Salesforce with other tools or setting up automated processes, making sure that the right profiles have API access is crucial. Let's walk through the steps together so you can manage permissions confidently. First things first, you'll need to log in to your Salesforce account. Make sure you have the necessary administrative privileges because changing profile permissions is a task reserved for users with the correct level of access. Once you're signed in, look towards the upper right corner of your screen. You'll see a gear icon. That's your setup menu. Click on the gear, and from the drop-down that appears, select Setup. This will take you to the Salesforce Setup area, which is your central command for all system configurations and settings. Now, on the left-hand side of the setup page, you'll notice a search bar. This is incredibly helpful for quickly finding the specific settings you need. Type the word profiles into that search bar. Once the profiles option appears below, go ahead and click on it. This will bring up a list of all the user profiles in your Salesforce organization. From this list, select the profile of the user or group for whom you want to enable API access. For example, if you need to grant access to API features for system administrators, you would click on the system administrator profile. Alternatively, you might select a standard user profile or any other custom profile as needed for your organization. After you've chosen the appropriate profile, look for the Edit button at the top or near the details of the profile. Click Edit to enter the mode where you can make changes to the profile's permissions. Next, scroll down the profile settings page until you reach the section labeled Administrative Permissions. This area controls a variety of system-level permissions, so it's important to review these settings carefully. Within Administrative Permissions, search for an option called API Enabled. This checkbox is what determines whether users with this profile can access Salesforce via the API. If the box is not already checked, click it to enable API access for this profile. Once you've checked API enabled, keep scrolling down to the bottom of the page. You'll see a Save button. Be sure to click Save to apply your changes. This step is essential as changes will not take effect until you save the profile settings. That's it! You've successfully enabled API access for a user profile in Salesforce. Now, users with this profile will be able to use Salesforce APIs for integrations, automation, and more. For security, always review which profiles have API access and limit it to only those who truly need it. Thanks for watching, and I hope this walkthrough has made the process clear and easy to follow.